Hi, I'm Alexander Razone. Real estate house. What should I check before renting an apartment? Never pay in advance. Payment and receipt of keys, only at the same time. Do not believe in ads for renting an excellent apartment at a very low price. Check all documents carefully, especially before signing them. The right supporting document, a recent, no more than a month, extract or certificate of registration of the right. Title document, purchase and sale agreements, donations, inheritance. The consent of all co-owners. The passport of the owner renting the apartment. It is advisable to check it in the register of invalid passports just in case. Power of attorney, if the apartment is rented by proxy. The powers of a trusted person. Whether the power of attorney is valid. Whether the passport data specified and the power of attorney match. Of course, all documents must be originals. The latest receipts for payment of communal services. If there are debts, demand to repay them. Otherwise there is a risk that the landlord will want to attribute this amount to you. Evaluate and fix the condition of the apartment. Common points: switches, sockets, doors, windows, furniture, appliances. Pay attention not only to whether the refrigerator freezes well, but also whether it works too noisily. This is especially true for studios and small apartments. Whether the stove is working. Whether the air conditioner turns on. Whether there is water in the taps. Whether the toilet flush works normally. Find out the adequacy of the owner and neighbors. The owners are different. Some do not trust the tenants so much that they try to constantly keep their finger on the pulse and check the apartment several times a week. Be sure to arrange on the shore how often the owner will visit. Entering the entrance, pay attention to its condition and assess whether you will have to live next to unfavorable neighbors. It is better to view the apartments in the evening, when all the neighbors have already come home from work. This way you can evaluate the sound insulation. If everything is in order and you decide to rent, you will need to sign a contract, sign a transfer acceptance certificate, and receive a receipt from the landlord that he accepted the payment. Subscribe to the channel to know more, the link is in the description.